Before outrigger operations, inspect around the crane to secure operation safety. Release all outrigger pins. Connect the batteries and enter the operator's cap to start the engine. Let's see the 9 buttons for outrigger operations. 1. Selection switch for rear right outrigger 1. 2. Selection switch for front right outrigger 2. 3. Selection switch for front right outrigger 3. 4. Selection switch for front right outrigger 4. 5. All outriggers selection. 6. Outrigger beam extending. 7. Outrigger beam retracting. 8. Outrigger jack extending. 9. Outrigger jack retracting. Now, let us turn to the 3 buttons for transmission operation. 1. Transmission automatic mode button. 2. These functions are not available. 3. Transmission high gear button. Besides, there are 4 buttons for steering mode selection, including front wheel steering mode, rear wheel steering mode, four-wheel steering mode, and crabbing mode.